I don't know.
Oh, he went and got that fucking cat?
Yeah, he got the cat.
Oh, that motherfucker's crazy. He's crazy.
You see all that smoke come out the window when he... Yeah.
He's crazy.
I don't know whose cat that is.
Somebody left.
Yeah, they're gonna be happy. Damn, it's getting hot right here.
Hell out.
Ooh, shit.
Is that your boss right there, man?
You hear that?
Brave dude. That's a brave dude.
Damn, now this one's on fire.
This one's gonna, dude, this one, I think this one's on fire though, right?
How did it start?
And then that one's gonna catch on fire too. I don't know how, we just seen a little bit of a puff of smoke in the air.
Yeah.
A little puff of smoke, and so I was working over there, so I ran out. And I just want to make sure everybody got out. This is this one? You live here?
Oh shit, look.
I live right fucking here.
Shit's starting to fall.
Yeah, I was sleeping. I heard fucking bang, and I woke up and threw pants on, and then they fucking kicked my door open. Not even a firefighter, you guys. They kicked my door, like, get the fuck out. So, like, and it's kind of funny, it's like, I mean, I really hope fucking everybody got out, but I'm really pissed that I don't just because I don't have
So, you live in the back one area?
I live.
You might be alright.
We'll see. I mean, look at the top back of my building.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's what I'm saying. But they're going in now, so hopefully they're keeping it from spreading, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's the best I can say.
seen them. I don't know where they were shooting out. Seen the water coming out from under there. I mean, that's pretty dangerous to be in there now.
No, yeah, I want to now. Now, obviously, I know I'm not going to be able to go in now, but I'm probably...
No, I'm saying they were shooting from under. I don't know where they were.
It was like over there too, and it's like, they like looked at the windows out of that one.
Oh, okay.
It's crazy because if you go over here and look back, directly behind the building that's